Detective work isn't easy. The thing that bothered me in particular was... to find out who hired me for the job, I had to pay attention to the crime scene in the kitchen. Are there any connections I can make to the people in the office? I need to also consider that not all identities are clear yet. And that's something I will have to work out later. In here must be the crime scene. First, I want to find out who the people in the office. It will make things easier in the long run. I'll need to remember to write everything down in my deductions. The PC is on, but the person who works at this desk, they only have a single person in. That's surprising.
This is Bear Bus. How can I help you? This is the third time you're calling. Your ex-wife did not cancel your booking.
She, The two desks on this side look unused. The two desks on this... I shouldn't go outside. I need to find out who the people in this... Did I remember to write down their... Detective work isn't easy. I was sure I would be able to crack this. It's a list of all the bus drivers. The most busy driver out of all four seems to be Petrovich. I can't leave now. I need to solve the case. It says, it's locked. Detective work isn't easy. The thing that bothered me in particular was... Did I really inspect everything there was in and around? It's important to talk to everyone and question them about evidences. I always had the option to check the map in my notebook. So, do you have an idea who would have hired me?
It's about the incident, isn't it? Sorry. I'm so I don't understand why I'm just here to keep the
Was it you who called me?
No, I never heard of you.
That's unusual.
It's good you're here, since there has been some.
What a fancy name. It says... It's a letter for an application for a promotion to Senior Customer Service Agent. Signed by L.X.
How are the detective things going?
It's Mr. McQuacklin.
Right. Are you planning on staying?
I'll have to inspect the entire premise.
Well, hurry.
In here must be the crime scene. First, I want to find out who the people in the office are. It will make things easier in the long run. I'll need to remember to write everything down in my deductions. I shouldn't go outside. I need to find out who the people in the... Did I remember to write down their profession? The PC is on... They only have a single... That's surprising. What do you think about Manfred Ernst?
Oh, he's a great guy. I just wish I'd finally get a raise. Yes, sorry, this is Bear Bus. Your bus will be 3 hours late.
What do you know about Manfred?
I think he likes me. He's the only one who doesn't.
Now that I had worked out these names, I was ready to check out the crime scene. Let's see where that lunch got stolen from. Then I could finally talk to my... as soon as I entered the kitchen, the comforting waft of cheap white toast entered my nostrils. This wasn't what I was here for.
Stop eating the icing! Can't you wait a couple hours?
Margaret, if it wasn't for these pants almost bursting, I'd have this for breakfast every day.
Yes, yes, and you can have it and so much more later, when we're done preparing.